Popular kitchen ingredient, baking soda is not only used for preparing desserts but also for enhancing your beauty. Yes, it is quite versatile and is considered good for your skin. Baking soda has surprising beauty benefits that you are unaware of. From treating acne to removing blackheads and making your skin glow, it can do a lot to enhance your look. Here we give you enough reasons to add baking soda in your daily beauty regime. Reduces appearance of blemishes. Baking soda has bleaching properties that help in fading scars and making the skin color look brighter. It also removes dead skin and makes the skin tone even. To remove blemishes, you need to add a tablespoon of baking soda and lemon juice each. And, apply the paste on your face and massage. Leave it for around 2 minutes and then rinse off your face with cool water. Treats acne. Having antibacterial properties, baking soda can prevent the onset of acne and can also fight against the pathogens causing the skin problem. It also has mild exfoliate that can assist baking soda in effectively removing dead skin and clearing pores. Baking soda is also considered good for getting rid of blackheads and pimples. To use it for this purpose, you need to mix baking soda in water and apply on clean face. Scrub for a while and leave the paste on your face for 2 minutes. Then, wash off with cool water. Do not forget to apply a moisturizer post that brings glow to the face. To get facial glow, you need to mix 2 tablespoons of orange juice with a tablespoon of baking soda and apply the paste as a mask on your face after cleaning it. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. Acidic pH of orange juice can maintain the pH balance of your skin. Additionally, vitamin C present in the juice can offer collagen boost to your skin. On the other hand, baking soda can flush out impurities and clear pores.